Small, light, all in one. Expertly managing meds with app. Buzzing with intention till you give attention. Combining vibration till you come to realization. If you do miss, your wife might call. Left the meds at home, app will let you know. Dual security, stop overdosing. I am many, awesome and tiny.
Have you ever wondered what the world sounds like? Earphones in, the digital world. Your music, calls, apps, notifications. Earphones out, the real world. Traffic, signals, announcements, voices. Sound makes up an important 25% of our sensory experience. So why do our real and digital audio experiences have to be so binary? Augmented reality. At Voxos, we want to push the boundaries in sound technology. And like augmented reality, bridge the divide between the real and digital worlds to make them seamless. How do we do that? With a product that might surprise you. Voxos is a pair of smart glasses unlike anything you've used before. Utilizing bone conduction technology, our glasses vibrate sounds through your skull instead of only passing through your ear canal, so you can hear sounds from the real and digital worlds simultaneously. Imagine preparing yourself for the day ahead.
Hey, how does my day look like?
You have a meeting at 11 a.m.
Imagine not being a slave to your screen.
Hey Siri, call Amanda.
Imagine hearing your music while being alive in the moment.
Hey, where's the nearest Santander bike station?
Imagine safely navigating to work across busy roads. With its waterproof casing, UV protection lenses, 10 hours of battery life, and hands-free Bluetooth connection to your mobile device. Voxos turns your real world into an augmented playground of opportunities. Life is too short to be disconnected. Be present, be free, be Voxos.
We spend a third of our lives in bed. For your health, no place is more important. Without knowing it, we surround ourselves with a lot of harmful synthetic chemicals. Our skin, however, is not an impenetrable barrier. It's our largest organ, and it absorbs an incredible amount of everything we touch. Synthetic dyes and textiles allow the breeding of pathogens like bacteria, dust mites and fungi, which scientists link to allergies and skin problems. Today, 1 in 4 people suffer from a skin disease, and the cost of treatments are skyrocketing. Let's do something about this. I'm Michael, co-founder of Isomer Bedding. Inspired by an almost forgotten Japanese art, we are going to create the healthiest sleeping experience using only 3 ingredients: natural indigo, cotton and water.
What is Isomer? It's a Japanese art of dyeing textiles with natural indigo. We Japanese have known about indigo's skin healing and bacteria repelling effects for centuries. It looks beautiful and feels great, and makes the yarn extremely durable.
What's the Isomer secret? Inspired by a Japanese tradition, we use 0 synthetic chemicals in the entire process. And to reach a high fade resistance, even after 100 wash cycles, we use a cutting-edge sound wave technology that enhances the dye on a molecular level. And you know what's cool? We use 200 times less water than conventional dyeing, and all waste can be turned into biodegradable natural fertilizer. Here in Tokyo, we've gathered a fantastic group of people with backgrounds in dermatology, textiles and quality management. We've carefully selected our partners and production is all ready to start. The only thing we need now is your support. Back our campaign and get your own Isomer bedding.
Isomer bedding is kind to your skin and kind to the environment.
The dangers of using plastic is no secret. Not only is it bad for your health, it's also bad for the environment. According to the following excerpt by postconsumers.com, the average time for a plastic bottle to completely degrade is at least 450 years. It can even take some bottles 1,000 years to biodegrade. That's a long time for even the smallest bottle. 90% of bottles aren't even recycled. About 1.5 million barrels of oil are used every year to make the bottles, and even more oil is burned transporting them. Most of the time, the water inside the bottles has more contaminants than regular old tap water, meaning you could be drinking some serious problems. Knowing these facts, product design student Harry Johnson decided to find a solution to this problem. By combining red algae powder with water, he created a biodegradable bottle. I read that 50% of plastic is used once and then thrown away, so I feel there is an urgent need to find ways to replace some of the unreal amount of plastic we make, use and throw away each day. Johnson told Design, "Why are we using materials that take hundreds of years to break down in nature to drink from once and then throw away? The bottle will keep its shape as long as it's full of water. However, once it's emptied, it will begin to decompose. It's made completely from natural materials and the water stored inside is safe to drink.